Good morning, guys. It is 5 a.m. We just gassed up. Got the puppy in the car. Puppus. Got the camper hooked up. And we are ready for a 15-hour haul to Ridgeway, Pennsylvania. Let's go! We made it! Now we still got another 5 hours! So it's like 9 p.m. and this is a first for me. I am sleeping in a parking lot, a truck stop, a TA to be exact. So yeah, sleeping among the truckers tonight. Good night. So it is our first day at the rendezvous. Hi, Papas. Papa made the trip this time. And we're set up, which I will show you in further detail after coffee. So the Chainsaw Carvers Rendezvous is a really cool and unique event because it's not a competition. It's essentially just a massive gathering of chainsaw artists from all over the world that gather in one spot. We sell inventory, we share tips and tricks, and just kind of talk about some of the common shared struggles that we face. It is seriously just such a cool event for both the audience who attend and for us chainsaw carvers. But you pretty much just show up, you pay a really small like vendor fee essentially, and you get a log and you can kind of do whatever you want. You don't even have to carve if you don't want to. So for this year, I'm actually carving a little thank you gift. So let's carve ourselves a little corgi. We're gonna make this a corgi. So as I stated earlier, I am carving a thank you gift for my neighbor who owns a corgi, and this lovely couple saw that I was carving a corgi, and before I colored it up, they asked if they could buy it and have it colored up like one of their corgis who unfortunately recently passed. So it was hard to say no, and a sale's a sale. So I will be carving another thank you corgi. But this one went to a really, really, really good home. Rest in peace, little Piper. Rest in peace, sweetheart.
I don't know if you'll be able to get it on camera. That's who we're copying.
Now that our corgi is complete and ready for pickup, We'll think of one more small project to do while we're here at the rendezvous, but before we start on anything else, well, it's early in the morning and nobody's here yet, let's go explore. The tough part about the rain is everybody's gone at nighttime. This is what a bunch of the tents look like this morning. So I feel so bad. But luckily, we got lucky this year and our tent's good. But let's keep looking at some stuff. So cute. That is so cute. Here's the wood setup. We were in a bit of a rush when we got here, but they had a bunch of logs this size, all lined up here, and then we got to pick which one we wanted, and they jump in the skid and they bring it right to your spot. There's some nice logs this year. Look how big some of these are. Ooh, pretty.
Sold 150. Two bids under 1095.
Well, that's a wrap for today's video. I'm sorry it wasn't as extravagant as last year's rendezvous video, but I was a busy bee this year. I barely got to leave my little tent. Also, a huge shout out to all the viewers that showed up to Little Ridgeway, Pennsylvania this year. I was absolutely blown away by how many viewers I got to meet at this show. So if you took time out of your busy life to show up to Little Ridgeway, Pennsylvania for this event, thank you. That is so cool of you. And I hope to see you all again next year at the 2026 Chainsaw Carvers Rendezvous. Till then, bye!